Hi, today we're going to make some foolproof focaccia, super forgiving. So start with a bowl, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon sugar with about a 1/4 cup of warm water. Stir it up, and you're going to let it sit for about 2-3 minutes. Hopefully by now it's all nice and bubbly. Go ahead and add 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup bread flour, and about 1½ cup warm water, along with 2 teaspoons of salt. You need not be too finicky about the measurements. This is a really forgiving recipe, so just go ahead and mix it all up and add your water slowly so that you can see what you're doing, feel it a little. Once it starts becoming a nice blob, you're happy. Um, you do want it to be slightly sticky, not a very tight blob of dough. You want it to be a little bit sticky and loose for a nice, moist focaccia. So go ahead and let it sit for an hour now. You want to cover it. And when you come back, go ahead and squash it down with some olive oil or your favorite oil. And go ahead and take it and spread it out into your baking tray. So stretch it out with your hands. I like to really mosh it with my fingers, no rolling pin or anything like that. Just squish it in, and you're going to let it sit for another hour. So most of the time in this is just waiting time. Super easy. If you plan your day a little bit, this is a nice, easy focaccia. You can also choose to top your dough with, as I did, sliced onions and some squished green olives because I happen to have these on hand. You can sprinkle some oregano, throw on some salt. You can do nothing at all and leave it natural. So whatever you're feeling that day, this comes out so good, and I make it very often to go with my soups or to make a sandwich or anything like that. You can really be creative with this. Go ahead and bake it in a preheated oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And when you're done, you will have a fabulous treat. Enjoy. Thank you.